We have an OPPO A17, and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the three most popular web browsers on this device. So you start from the Google Chrome, just open your web browser and click on this three dot icon. Now to open the Incognito tab, click New Incognito tab, and that's it. Now it's time for Firefox. Just open your web browser. And now by clicking here on this zero mask, you will enable Incognito Mode. If your background is purple and you see a little incognito icon on your keyboard, it means you are in the Incognito Mode. So now it's time for Opera. In Opera I have to click here on this little icon tab and switch to the private. And now your history will be not saved. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.